I want to show you this super cool chainsaw bag. I just got it. Open it up, check it out. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me so I can take one of my chainsaws, put in this nice ripstop bag. Wow, cool. Alright, so looks like this is the feet. This is the arm for the chainsaw. Yellow, I like that, so when you're out in the woods you can see it. It's totally awesome. Nice big bags on the outside, and handle goes on both sides, and obviously another handle that goes from end to end. A ripstop bag in the top here, so we can definitely store our tools and things in that. Alright, oh, and a strap in the bottom for the chainsaw itself. So it looks like you just unzip that like that. Alright, so here is my Husqvarna Rancher chainsaw, and let's just set it in here and see how it fits. Oh, awesome. The bar goes right in the padded bag. Close that up like that. Get the bag itself. Zips right on closed. Awesome. Carries that. That thing fit right in there. Hey, look at this side. Nice set of pockets here. You can definitely fill these pockets up. Oh, lots of tools. So all the extra things I have extra spark plugs I carry around. I have some tools I could put in here that I carry around. My file. My file would go really nicely up in this top pouch. I like the looks of that. Definitely do that. Some other spark plugs and wrenches and things can go in here. Alright, so I'm actually kind of excited about this. Nice padded bag, and it's plenty big for my Husqvarna Rancher with an 18-inch blade on it. And open it up. Carry the saw. Unzip it like that. Pull it out, and we're good to go.